The producers of Iowa's newest feature-length movie just wrapped filming today after 2 weeks of shooting at multiple locations. And while many are tired of the cold and snow, those elements provided the perfect environment for the North Pole, created in the corridor.
The first moment that we walked in here, it was exactly what we envisioned.
Writer and director Joe Clark couldn't be happier about the people and places that will appear in his upcoming Christmas-themed production of Up on the Wooftop.
You can definitely feel the buzz around the city. It's awesome.
Roll camera.
On this particular day, Iowa City's Celebration Farm has been transformed into Santa's workshop.
Elf action.
The busy elves outfitted by the Iowa City-based boutique Mayfair, and all the extras are local.
Friends of friends, people that want to be elves, that want to help out.
Clark wouldn't have it any other way. His Back Row Studios has produced several feature films in the corridor.
We're not going to pick up chicks using a mathematical formula.
Including the Netflix and Redbox release, The Formula. But this is Clark's largest production to date. And the star?
They've kind of nicknamed her One Take Toby.
Toby, whose real name is Sammy, is a 3-year-old Russell Terrier who, in the movie, gets lost in Iowa and must get back to the North Pole to help Santa. Oh, and Toby can talk.
When the script came out, I went through it, and, you know, it changes as the film progresses, but I counted she was in 47 of 87 scenes.
All those scenes were shot in Iowa City, Coralville, and the Quad Cities, with a central cast and crew of about 15, including Dennis Haskins from Saved by the Bell.
Hey, what time is it? It's a horrible time.
And Brandon Baker from Johnny Tsunami.
In addition to our standard cast, we have about 30-plus extras here today. Tomorrow we'll have about 55 doggy extras. So this is definitely one of the most diverse and unique films I've ever worked on.
Even students from college community schools took part. And Tim Nash, a producer on the film, is a Marion High School grad working to make a living in filmmaking in Iowa.
I don't think anybody here wants to move out to Los Angeles. I think we want to stay here, and we want to develop the filmmaking community here.
Cut!
And make it a real thing.
There is an incredible amount of talent in the state of Iowa, and it's projects like this that really help showcase the wonderful people and settings that we have in this fine state.
I think that everyone can agree that we're making something pretty special here.
Now that filming has wrapped, the work begins on editing and post-production. Clark already has distribution agreements in several countries, and Up on the Wooftop will be out in time for Christmas.